Have you ever wondered how much money you actually need to make $10,000 every single month from ETFs? Most people think the answer is just buying high dividend funds, but that's exactly where many investors make their biggest mistake. The real number might be much higher, or surprisingly lower, depending on the ETFs you choose. Here's the simple math. If your portfolio yields around 3% annually, you'd need roughly $4 million invested to generate about $10,000 per month before taxes. But if you chase ETFs promising 10% or even 12% yields, the required investment drops dramatically, yet there's a catch. Many ultra-high-yield ETFs can reduce their payouts over time, carry more risk, or deliver lower long-term growth. That's why experienced investors don't focus only on yield. They focus on total return, balancing dividends with price appreciation. A diversified portfolio using broad market ETFs, dividend growth ETFs, and carefully selected income ETFs can create a more sustainable income strategy than simply chasing the highest yield. So, before you dream about living off ETF income, ask yourself one question. Would you rather have a portfolio that pays more today or one that keeps paying for decades? That's the difference between investing for income and investing for financial freedom.